Today we are so excited to be here at my alma mater, Palacios High School in Palacios, Texas, and I'm here with instructor Janet Wallace, and we are going to be doing the Palacios High School Shrimp Chop Challenge. And so, Ms. Wallace, will you explain to us what we're doing here today?
Yes, I came up with this idea because my students normally go to competition in the fall and in the spring, but since COVID affected our competition ability, I wanted them to be able to do a competition and have some monetary money with them, because a lot of them are seniors and they will be going to college, so they'll need that extra money, finances to go to school. But I have a very creative, very talented group of students here that came up with some very savory dishes, and they're very different. I'm very happy. They're so smart, they're very creative. You're going to be very impressed. This class, this practicum in the culinary arts, after they finish this class, they will receive a certification in restaurant management.
That's awesome. Okay, great. So we are very excited. We're going to get started. We're going to meet our teams. There are 4 teams. We had 5. We did an elimination round, and so this is the best of the best. And so we'll get started and introduce them.
We are Krillin. My name is Triam Dong, and I'm a freshman. My name is Shane Willem, and I'm a sophomore.
And my name is Victoria Castanon, and I'm a sophomore.
What is your team name today?
Keeping it shrimple.
Oh, I like that. Very, very unique. Okay, so who do I have with me today?
I'm Teresita Lopez. I'm a senior.
I'm Angela Sanchez. I'm a senior.
I'm Evelyn Apricion. I'm also a senior.
We are No Shrimpathy.
My name is Joanna Serrato, and I'm a senior.
I'm Christopher Garcia. I'm a junior.
I'm Alexandria Tapia, and I'm a junior also.
Okay, so this is our 4th team. What's the name of your team, guys?
We are the Shrimpaholics.
The Shrimpaholics, I like that. So who's on your team?
I'm Kevin Tran, a senior.
I'm Ingrid Martinez, a senior.
I'm Quinn Hawk. I'm also a senior.
Everybody ready? Let's get cooking! All right, let's go!
Tropical shrimp tacos with a mango salsa and a lime cilantro sauce.
So y'all went a little bit everywhere with this one, huh? A little
Yes.
tropical, got a little Mexican
spice,
flair to it.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice.
My favorite part is that y'all have cooked these shrimp perfectly.
Thank you.
They are cooked through, but they're not overcooked, and they have that perfect color.
Thank you.
Great job.
The shrimp is cooked perfectly. I like how y'all diced up the mangoes as well.
Thank you.
It gave it a good texture. So texture is on point as well.
Love the mango salsa.
Thank you.
That hint of sweet and the saltiness of everything else you have, so it's the best of both worlds right there.
We are the Shrimpaholics, and these are our shrimp fritters.
Awesome. They are beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Ah, that's nice.
Professional plating.
Picture that
I
over
was
there.
going to say, this belongs in a magazine. It is beautiful. Your schmear is like so perfect. It's very, very pretty. Wow. That is so good. The thing that I appreciate is what you mentioned, that everything is the same size. There's nothing that's overpowering. You're not biting into a pepper or anything. And it's still a very, very strong taste of shrimp. It's very good.
Thank you. It's cooked pretty brilliantly as well. And I really appreciate the aioli on the side. It complements the shrimp. Just a good job overall. And you gotta try this pickled onion by itself as well.
I would just also like just to comment on your workstation. It is pristine. And I mean, I know as someone who likes to dine out, when I see a restaurant and a station that looks that clean, it increases my appetite and really, encourages me to try the food in the restaurant. So great job with that as well.
Thank you.
I concur. Everything's wonderful. I love the presentation. I always see a dish and I say, when people are doing home cooks and they ask me about stuff, I would pay money for this. This is what I would expect as a presentation, taste, everything. It's very simple yet elegant. Love it. Great job.
Thank you.
Very, very good job.
It truly is restaurant quality. It's very nice. All right, this looks great.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
All right, tell us what you got here.
Okay, so this is our shark bait burger, and the patty, it's pan fried, and we have caramelized red onions and homemade tartar sauce.
Awesome. Yeah, it's very good. You definitely get the dill.
Yes.
I like the crunch of the bread. The bread's not soggy at all. It holds up to the patty. And those onions are very good, and they're not overpowering at all. Good job, girls. Good job.
The texture is really on point because when I saw it, I thought, oh, that looks kind of dense, but it's not dense at all. I mean, it's just, love the way it came out.
Thank you.
I might steal that one and make the po' boy out of it.
So tell us what you got.
Okay. First off, we have some Good Life shrimp cocktail.
I see y'all have added cucumber in there as well. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. That adds a different flavor to it. It's all about texture. You got the softness of the tomatoes and then the crunchiness of the cucumbers. This is my recipe.
Your mama did you right. This is a really good guacamole. It's very tasty. Very good.
And our winner and first place was the shrimp fritters. What can I say? Wowzer. It was beautiful on the plate. Everything was there. Presentation. I got one question though, and I don't know, maybe y'all weren't allowed to, but why did you opt to pan fry it as opposed to deep fry it in the fryer?
Because we don't have a deep fryer.
Oh, y'all don't have a deep fryer? Janet, y'all don't have a deep fryer?
No, sir, we don't.
Okay, we're gonna get y'all a deep fryer. That was almost the perfect dish. It was a little dark on the outside, and the reason being because it was pan fried. And when you're frying in a pan like that, actually the heat's down there at the bottom, but it was a wonderful dish. I loved it, Y'all all did a great job.
I'm so proud of my students. They did a really, really good job. They worked really hard with the minimal things we have here at Palacios High School. We had such a variety of savory dishes, from a shrimp fritter to a shrimp cocktail, a shrimp burger, and shrimp tacos. They did great. The judges had a very hard time deliberating, but they finally came up with a winner. They're awesome. They have a wonderful work ethic, and I would put my money on them any day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.
Palacios High School Shrimp Chop Champions.
Woohoo!